Welcome back to Task Force Off-Road, guys, and I hope you're having a Merry Christmas. So right now, it is currently 5:41 on Christmas Eve, and my Christmas gift to my brother-in-law is to we got a little budget boost for the Gladiator. It's just a little leveling kit that way we can fit some bigger tires down the road, but he has no idea. So today's gonna be a little bit different. It's not gonna be a step-by-step, so I'm just gonna install it. John's coming over, he's gonna help me out with it real fast, and we're gonna get it done. Hopefully he doesn't find out and we can see a reaction tomorrow morning, and this episode should air shortly after that. So I hope you guys enjoy this one. Sit back, relax, hit the subscribe button if you haven't, hit the like button if you haven't, help me out in the YouTube algorithm, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so here is what we're installing. This is just a TerraFlex 1.5" leveling kit. So it should give him enough to run some 35s, as well as just look a lot better, because stock Gladiator Sports, they don't look too good, guys, but beefed up a little bit, it's gonna look real good. So this kit's really simple. It comes with the spacers, some hardware for the bump stop extensions, and bump stock extensions, and that's it. There's really not much to it, so I'm gonna get into it. Okay guys, so that is it. The leveling kit is installed. So I'm about to back the truck in next to my Jeep. At this point in the video, I want you guys to leave a comment in the comment section below, and if you think Paul is going to be able to tell that we did anything, I think it's 50-50. Like, it's a very noticeable thing. Whether or not he notices it, that's a whole other story. So I'm going to play musical cars. We're going to get the car in here, and everything should be good to go. The truck's all set, so I will see you guys in the morning, and we'll show you Paul's reaction.
What happened, Paul?
You know something different about it?
It's got a lift on it. Wow.
We did last night.
Holy smokes.
Not a little one either.
That's not big.
Why are you going up to you? Why are you going
Merry Christmas, Paul!
Thank you. Holy moly.
We're trying to figure out if you noticed it or not.
Go open the back of my kind, the back trunk.
Someone's pumped. Look at that smile. It's got a lift on it.
Holy moly. Now it's talking. Now it's a truck.
That was just the front.
So right now, we just have a spacer leveling kit on it. It's 1.5 inches. We can go up from here very easily. This is just a nice budget way so you can fit bigger tires and stuff.
Yeah.
So I had this idea.
Wait, did you just film him opening it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny.
And now we need to get bigger tires. That's the next goal.
Oh boy.
But
Oh.
thanks for watching, guys. Merry Christmas. I hope you have a good one. Take it easy.
Yeah, it's that first day of first grade. That cute girl, your third day. That backpack, that snapback you've had since the third grade. The first time you got laid, the worst time you got played. It hurt, but you're